Hello everyone, I'm Stacy Kenya. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share about opportunities available in Europe. Today I'll be talking about volunteer program in Germany, how you can apply for this program and how you can apply for this program. Volunteer programs in Germany are a great way to immerse yourself in the country's culture and gain valuable experience. But before you apply, there are some tips you need to know. Tip number 1. Volunteer programs in Germany are applied according to your age, based on your age. Are you over 27 years? You are going to apply for BFD in Germany. Just Google BFD programs in Germany and FOJ in Germany. That is a program for people above 27 years. Are you aged between 18 to 27 years? Yeah, that is under 27 years. Under 27 years, you are going to apply for a program called FSJ in Germany. But for people who are under 27 years, you can apply for both FSJ and BFD. Remember, if you don't follow these instructions, your application is not going to go through. It will not. Second, make sure the volunteer program in Germany you are applying offers accommodation. But in case you get an opportunity that an institution that don't offer accommodation, you can always use something called VG. Yeah, just type WG VG. It is a VG in the city that you'll be moving into. You just go to Google, you write VG. WG, it is called VG. It is shared accommodation in the city that you'll be moving in. You can get someone you can share with, and again you can use an app called eBay. You can download that app to search for accommodation in that app, and you can as well make good use of your Facebook group to search. Yeah. And number 3, think about the volunteer program you are interested in and why you are interested in this program. In Germany, volunteer program determines your next move. You cannot be taken an example to study nursing without an experience, without a volunteer experience in a hospital or in any health sectors. If you want to pursue your studies in IT, you're supposed to volunteer in IT. If it's business, you have supposed to volunteer in business. So it determines your next move. So please, before you apply, think about what kind of volunteer program you are interested in and why. Number 4, German language. I have received so many questions. Must I learn German for me to come to Germany? Yes, sweetheart, it's hard, it's not easy, but you have to, because it's a requirement. Yeah, it is a requirement by the embassy. You need to have at least a B1 certificate for you to volunteer in Germany. Some organization they take people with a A2 certificate. Yeah, so it's by chance. Maybe they can take you with an A2, but mostly they take with a B1. Yeah, with a B1 certificate you are good to go. So please learn the language. English is not an official language for Germans. They use German. An example, you'll be even volunteering in maybe for people with special needs or kindergartens, or maybe old people, or in a hospital where nobody can speak English. So there'll be some challenges as an English speaker. Some promising volunteer programs in Germany include nursing homes, homes for the elderly, kindergarten, people with special needs, and hospitals, these are hotcake. In short, apply if you want to get a visa quickly. Apply in health sectors because it is hotcake. They really need people. Yeah, it's very hard for you to get a no, but in case you get rejected, don't give up. Keep applying, and that's why I told you, you just don't apply one place and you wait. No, you apply as many as possible. When I was searching for my volunteer program in Germany, I applied 131 places. It's like I was checking each and every hospital in Germany. I apply each and every, there's that dream city that you wanna be, you wanna go. So I got rejected as well, 9 times, but I kept on applying. Actually, I got rejected 9 times when I was applying for my dual studies and ausbildung. I got rejected. I got rejected again 9 times when I was applying for my au pair when I was in Kenya, and I got rejected again when I was applying for my volunteer program because it was not time, because they have a time limit. I was applying in the wrong time because of lockdown. So I got rejected, but I never gave up. So don't give up. Apply for this program. Apply for more opportunities as possible. Check for in all the cities, kindergartens, nursing homes, homes for elderly people, hospitals. Apply many as finally, please apply for your volunteer program within European Schengen countries. Please Google which these countries are. They are 26 countries. They are safe. What happened to one of us in Kenya? Rest in peace, Joy. Albania is not part of Schengen country. It is not safe. Romania, it is not safe. The only safe countries for you as a foreigner in Europe, it's Schengen countries. Whether you are studying, whether you are doing, you're working or you're volunteering, Schengen countries, they are safe and they have an agreement. Please avoid Southern and Eastern Europe. In my next video, I'm going to share with you some of the organizations you can apply for your volunteer program in Germany. So make sure you tune in and subscribe. In case you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Write down in the comment section. See you in the next video.